5G helium. Do you understand how big this is going to be? Well, we're talking about Moken today. After this disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only, so let's get straight into this. So what are we talking about, guys? Moken, the 5G mining platform over on Moken.io. Now, the alpha has been released. And you can join the alpha just by hitting this button in the middle, okay? So what do they believe in? Let's start from the beginning. Building the most potent decentralized 5G networks in the entire world. Now, let's talk about them. Who are they? It's a team dedicated to growth and investment platform in a decentralized wireless sector. They aim to build the best tools for investment, monitoring, and opportunities. You can see what it looks like here just by the dashboard, okay? You've got your price of helium, how many investments, the coins and tokens, and what the price is going at now. Now, the 5G miner marketplace is an incredible place, okay? As you can see here, you've got all your different miners, what terms they're on, what IDs they've got, all your insights to them, and we have our predictions. So it talks about the predictions of where you're going to be going, okay? How high you're going to go, what trend it's on, the contract projection, so your earnings, what they're going to be over a certain amount of days, when your break even will be, all these different insights, guys. But let's talk about the partners, Helium and Helium Deploy. Now, if you don't know who these are, simply just click on these, okay? Do your own research into exactly what Helium is. Helium is incredible. It's a people-powered network powered by the Helium blockchain. The People's Network represents a paradigm shift for decentralized wireless infrastructure, okay, where you can mine, stake, and use. So they've got the power of Helium partnered behind them, and they've got Helium Deploy, which is actually a mind-blowing concept, okay? It's the mining of Helium 5G. It's got the 5G location assessment, so for free right now, you can go in there and actually have a look where it is to close, okay? They have all different kinds of kits on there, but you can see all around the United States, they're deploying Helium miners. Now, if you want to join the waiting list, you got to hit this button. The alpha and beta sets are limited, so join the candidate list and be one of the first investors in the mobile token mining with completely supported, hosted mobile token miners based in the United States. Now, guys, I've had a Helium miner before. I have, and it was never as easy as this. Just going on my phone and seeing automatic mining. It's mind-blowing, guys. So if you're in the United States, this is incredible for you. Now, guys, if you want to buy pre-installed, okay, simply buying the Helium 5G miner, this is it here, okay? You never know how to pronounce this. It's like base cells. And that's one of the supported miners. It's powered by free, and you can get this installed as long as you're in the USA for $499. It's $499 times 5 for the complete ownership. So you pay this 5 times, okay? Again, join the alpha candidates and get involved. There's 5 stages of mining success I want to talk about. Number 1, browsing the marketplace. The first you want to do is the world's best 5G system engineers have installed, configured, and tuned mining systems across the whole United States. Choose a package that combines hardware, location, maintenance contract to see the current and project performance. So you want to go on the marketplace, it looks like this, okay? Have a look for the one that you want to do. Check the performance in your area. Then you become an owner, purchase your mining package, join the world's largest 5G community and start earning instantly. So deployers have actually partnered with 5G hardware manufacturers to build the most profitable decentralized network. Again, you're paying $499 5 times. Now, mining on autopilot. Network performance is critical to the community's success, which is why your deployer will maintain and tune each hotspot and miner. That's to maximize performance and profitability. Again, we got Helium 5G going there with XNet. Number 4 will be mining with a parachute. So Moken monitors the deployers and locations, delivers real-time system performance, monitoring and alerts. Owners receive real-time notifications and hardware of network issues and updates from the deployer or the resolution. So it's super, super easy. It'll show you when it's offline, online, what's going on, and you can change anything with the trend, okay? Portfolio management, even more important, Moken provides monitoring for each earnings with a prediction of recommendations growing your 5G mining portfolio, predicted to be the best ROI in the crypto ecosystem. So as you can see here, it puts the insights on for you, showing you exactly when you made your money back, what you're making, if you're breaking even, anything like that, guys. That's how incredible this is. I can't stress this enough. Hit that waiting list link. Now, before I get finished on this, okay, as you can see, the base cells Nova 430H plus Freedom 5G Helium hotspot is incredible. It's probably the most popular, okay? The product overview, you've got the Freedom 5, the base cells, 5G ready, mines mobile and HNT, installation support, and it's $2,499. So you can actually purchase these and install them yourself through the Helium Deploy. Okay, that's the benefits, that's the incredible thing, and you'll still get all the mobile insights that we're offering. Or like I've spoke about, just skip the setup and get a Helium miner in minutes with already deployed miners in cities like Austin, LA, Miami. It's actually a marketplace that brings all the top Helium 5G miners accessible from anywhere in the world, guys. This is mind-blowing. That's it from me, guys. Hit that link down below, okay? But hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. I'm gonna see you next time.